Had a small problem here. The bird got up into the inverter and built a nest in the fan. So we gotta pull it and do repair. Burnt the fan out so it can't cool itself down. Get that.
Stanley, man. Ano mo? Oh, dito pa bangi.
Screws are still on the bottom.
Yes, we can lift it out.
Two fans burnt, no?
Yeah, no, none of them.
Oh, I see something stuck on one of them. Yeah. One of the blades there. Anyhow, we'll have to test it.
How are you gonna test it without other batteries?
I got batteries at home too.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it's a little bit longer and a little bit deeper too.
Uy.
Okay, get these protectors off here. And we're going to change out into a 3000 watt inverter because we want to make sure we got lots of power for these freezing units.